Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to post a group of photos as carousel on LinkedIn. So guys, in order for you to do this, you have to upload a document file that is PDF. So as of now, as you can see, I am on a Canva and I have a design over here or some photos. And from here, just simply click on share and click on download and make sure it is on a PDF standard. So guys, I recommend you using the Canva software in order for you to do this. So once you have downloaded it as a PDF, just simply go to LinkedIn, and as you can see, I am on the home page of LinkedIn. So just simply start a post over here. So I'm just gonna click on this, start a post, and after that, just simply click on more over here and go for add a document. And now from here, just simply click on choose file and just simply choose your PDF file. And after that, just simply provide the document title. So I'm gonna go for carousel. And now once it is done uploading, just simply click on done. And after that, just simply provide a description if you prefer and click on post. And as you can see, when people click on it, you should have a carousel. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!